I will never get married, that I know. But because I've never had a father, I want my child or children, if God blesses me with them, to have their father in the picture, because I know the damage that creates along the way. So I won't be selfish because I don't want to get married. I go get a surrogate, or I just get IVF with no father. No. I want to be considerate to my kids because I know what it is not to have a father. So I'll have a father, but not a marriage thing, not a boyfriend thing, a partnership. My body. Get married? Why? I don't want to be controlled by anybody. I want to control my own life. Yeah, because I'm spoiled. I spoiled myself. Yeah. I had a look like. Shut up, guys. Shut up, Rainbow. Shut up, Rainbow. Shut up. Hi, baby. Hi. Hey, why are you peeing? Are you getting horny? I'm your mother. It's so being funny. Shut up, Rainbow. I need to get my videos. Shut up. I'm gonna kick you out and you get your own house, bitch.
I made the decision not to get married at 16 years, Sheba. Sheba Karungi will not get married. She openly says it, and she is comfortable referring to herself as a Nakiayumt. A single woman who prefers to live alone in her house. Whereas many believe she decided not to get married after getting money, Sheba says she started forming her resolve when she was as young as 16 years of age. When I was young, I used to see how badly men treated women, and this made me dislike this institution of marriage. I will have children, but I don't think I will ever get married, she explains in an interview. She says she already set a timeline of when she will get pregnant and have her children.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Hello, how are you?
Hey, I'm fine.
Juanita.
Oh, she's called Johnny.
Jonita Zacharias. I did. Yeah.
Sorry?
I did.
Today.
Yeah.
What are your true names?
Jonita Zacharias,
Where are you from?
Denmark.
You're from there.
Yeah.
Can you speak some Luganda?
Of course.
Can bakuyitani?
Jonita Zacharias,
Wera wane.
Denmark.
Lwaki osazeewo okukola ne Sheba?
Nsazawo okukola ne Sheba kubanga first of all, she's my friend. Second of all, we are two great artists, female artists, and we are talented people. And the song has an amazing vibe, and I think everybody's gonna love it. And yeah. Tito from.
Explain to us. That's a big win.
Yeah, so it was a singing competition that took place in 2018 in our Scandinavia. Zemuduga probably yasooka okuwinira competition mu nsi z'abazungu, whereby it's not just singing, you really have to sing, because in Scandinavia there's nothing, you don't hide your voice, you have to be able to sing. It was a privilege to see every single white person vote for me to win, and I was combining my Luganda with my English, and it's something that every single time I was singing, they were asking me what
language is that?
What language is
Sounded
that, and
very
what did that
different.
mean? So, but it was a big win because first of all, being a black person winning that competition. Second of all, I was singing two languages, and I'm proud of my Luganda. So that was a big win for me.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Congratulations, lady.
Thank you.
Lwaki osazeewo okudda mu Uganda okole n'abayimbi
Abayimbi be Uganda, I respect them a lot. I think they are very talented. One of the reasons that I love to work with our artists is that we need to support each other. I'm from Scandinavia, and when we work together, Ugandans and Scandinavian artists, there's a great combination, and we pull two continents together, and all of us gets the opportunity to sow in that area and also sow in this area. So it's like a crossover opportunity. Yeah. Yeah. No, I think that's a bad question either way, because every music and every genre is good. So you can't say that rock is better than Afrobeat or soul is better than R&B or pop.
Agree.
So
I agree. It's music.
Yeah, it's music.
A different language to a different person.
And it's a different vibe for each person.
Yes.
So I think music is good for everybody.
Yeah.
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 I'm a very private person, so I'm not going to talk about money. Oh, I put 0.000. Yeah.
Muganda wange kintu kimu kyokka kye ngenda obbagamba leero olaba ekyo ekibuuzo ky'obuuziza tekiriyo. Buli muyimbi mu Uganda asobola okukola nange bw'aba ayagadde. Honestly speaking. Ate lwaki abaavudde ebweru asobola okukola nange nga gwe tubeera naye wano tasobola. Kisinzira ebiseera ebimu tulaga nti twagala abantu naye tetugenda bagamba. Ate ne baagala tuloote nti batwagala. We can't. So if you love somebody, go out there like she did. You say, I love you. I want to work with you. Of course, we work.
Right.
Yeah. Oluyimba luno olulaba buli question gye mulina ku luno oluyimba mu kyalo nze nazze ne lujapingako just to make it spicy and beautiful and more crazy. She wanted some vibe and yeah, but entirely everything, writings, expenditure, is her. Okay.
How have you found the experience, your first experience working with Shiba?
Oh, very good. Very, very good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, very good. The experience has been very good. How do you say that in Uganda? Experience about the nunji.
Yeah. Mix it up. You can mix it up.
Yeah, about the nunji. We vibe. We have a great. We got fun. We got vibe. We got diva. We got everything. And I think, and we got sense of style. Yeah. We got positivity. Yes. We got talent. We got strength.
Yes, we do.
And two bosses. Yeah. We got everything running out together. I think that's a good combination.
Yeah. I love boss women.
Yes, we are. Wanji? We've been friends for a very long time. So I've been wanting to actually do a song with her for a very long time. Yeah. So we've been just trying to find that right song. Just that right song. Yeah. So when I got the song, I called Shiba and I texted you, and she, 10 minutes literally, she was like, this is the song, we're gonna do it. Yeah. So it was really good. Yeah.
Yes. ngenda kuddamu ekyo ekibuuzo mu ngeri bbiri ne bw'aba yampadde kiryoke kubanga abeera appreciatinze omulimu gwenkola bw'aba teyampadde kiryoke era aba appreciatinze omulimu gwenkola. So either way it doesn't matter.
It's a win-win.
It's a win-win situation. So champadde ne kyatampadde is on the point.
Yeah.
It's what we are
doing. The work.
Kyetuli mu kukola kyagadde.
Yeah. It's the work. It's the work. Yeah. Nze ngenda kugwawo buli omu agenda okumpa ekitiibwa nankubira nantuuza wansi nannyonnyola ekiriwo, but for now sina kyemmanyi, tewali yankubidde. So anti nze simanya ni coordinator, sina kyemmanyi ku bino bintu okitegedde. Ebyo musooke mbiveeko yo kyali wange.
naye bino twogera ku bintu bya business. Ndi mu kubagamba oyo likyali wange naye nze siina kintu kya business kyenkola kyemmanyi ku music. So bwe balijja ng'ekibiina kya business, I think it's all about respect. Kirabika tebanalowooza nti neetaagisa, but bwe banalowooza nti neetaagisa they will holler at me.
Ndowooza naawe wano omugaso okubuuza ekibuuzo twakulaba ng'otesitinga n'oteekako ekigambo nakyeyombekedde wali otegeeza ki?
Naye nakyeyombekedde kale kansooke nammwe kambabuuzeeyo engeri gye mwagala nnyo okubuuza. Mwe nakyeyombekedde mumutegeera ki? Wabe wannyonnyola mwe kyemutegeera kamba nnyonnyole kyekitegeeza. Kyekyo ekizibu kyammwe kyokka Abanayuganda. Mubakira n'ebintu nga temumanyi kyebikola ki. Nakyeyombekedde kitegeeza omukazi eyeeyombekedde, omukazi eyeezimbye. Mukitegedde? Kati mmwe mwagala tugambe bannange omanyi gundi Jeni yafumbirwa omusajja omugagga, bannange Jeni waakabi. Naye ate temwagala gamba Sarah yakola ssente n'azimba ebuziga. Nene Sarah asobola. If a man can, a woman can. And all nakyeyombekedde means is I'm proud to be an independent woman who has worked so tirelessly for what I have. And I'm proud. Temugenda kumpuliza bubi ku bintu bye neekoleredde. I'm so sorry.
Bam.
Yeah.
Ekibuuzo kyange ekisembayo twakulaba ng'owako club ng'operforminga ne residence.
Yeah. That was my moment. Waliwo abantu manyize man, I'm so real. Waliwo abantu bembadde nga ndowoozaako okuva nga ntandika. Chance Nalubega was one of them. Mbadde mwagala nnyo okujja ku show zange, mbadde mwagala nnyo okukola nange nga naye ndowooza obudde Mukama omanyi gwoba oteesa nga ne Mukama akola ki? Ateesa. So saasobola kifuna nakyagalira naye nakifunidde mu ssaawa entuufu. Mukama gyasaliddewo kikole ki? Kibeeremu. So Chance Nalubega is such a queen to me. For me, I respect queens. Abapevinze we, abatuguliddewo ekkubo for kujja. Nange nja kuba happy nga waliyo omwana eyo mu maaso abajja ne bagamba yo Shiba yatugulirawo ekkubo okubeera ffe kye tuli, okwambala nga we twagala, okuyimba kye twagala. So nange ekyo kye njagala. So Chance Nalubega yampa ekyo. So she's a queen. And that was just a legend moment.
Nice.
Yeah. Ain't she? What's that? Munyinyonnyolemu. Nkitegedde online concert. Kigenda kukola kitya? Manyi sikimanyi. Abayimbi bonna. Kati anti kyenjagala okutegera omanyi lwaki sagala kwogera ku concert mwe mugimanyi okunsinga. So lindako concert nga ogenda okujja nga batusasula nga bansasula ku show. Akasente mwakategedde. Neetaaga omuntu nga amanyi buli kimu. Omanyi lwaki? Omanyi lwaki kino ekibuuzo si kyammwe? Nze nga we nabagambye. Nga we mugamba nti ndi brand. Bituufu. So kitegeeza wabeerawo management, wabeerawo accountant, wabeerawo planner, wabeerawo assistant. Kati nze ebyo byonna sinnabimanya. Tebinnantuukako, kitegeeza tennaba business yange. Ekyali business yaba manager. Bajja kuŋŋamba. Yeah. Bakikola lwabwe. Nange nkikola lwange.
Project eno abayimbi bakola collab ababiri. Omu atera obutapushinga, ani apushinga gwe naye?
By the way, nze bonna collaborations zange zonna mukwanwe. I push. Go back, check it out, and watch from the bottom of all my collaborations. I push. You know why? Sikola collaboration, just sagala. So ngendo kola collaboration. Nanjagala ugikola. So for me, I don't understand why I would do a collaboration with an artist and they're pushing me to push. I don't get it. Right. So I can't explain what that means. Yeah.